Hello South Africa. Kaizer Chiefs transfer news, 13 out, 10 in. Kaizer Chiefs have tried their best to assemble a squad that will be able to compete and challenge for honours this season. And for that reason, Chiefs opened a checkbook in an attempt to assist Arthur Zwane, whom they appointed as coach for the next 3 years. To date, Chiefs have signed 10 new players, including Duduzi Shabalala, who's literally a new signing despite briefly being part of the first team last term. Chiefs have signed Themba Satib, Lelegonero Matlu, Kamayilo Malotsi and Dylan Solomons, Yusuf Maat, Edmilson Dav and Bonfils Caleb by Menyamina. Those signings brought the number of players signed by Chiefs to 10 if one includes Shabalala, who was promoted from the DStv Tiski Challenge, DDC. The first 2 players to arrive at Naturina were Zita Quinica and Ashley Dupreez, who were bought from Stellenbosch FC. Signing 10 players at once could be seen, at least by some, as too much, but this is what Chiefs needed after parting ways with 13 players. Chiefs were always expected to sign one more player before closing the checkbook, and they have done just that with the acquisition of Menyamina. Please subscribe for more news updates. This is Luke for the South African.